I the only one that believes Orelibone is crazy in his tummy and sick in the head? Because what do you mean that a 15-year-old child, you have a relationship with her and you think that she loves you, and the other one is crazy because Oratadilo? What do you mean? Am I the only one that sees that this guy actually is Dululu? Because tell me why he still has the nerve and the guts never to apologize, to say, you know what, I think what I've done is wrong. But he's still saying that he has a relationship with Papa. Yo, before I get all worked up, ladies and gentlemen, kinakweli. So now today I am a bit bothered. Something is bugging me ukuthi uyenza kanjani into enjengalena. By the way, on the other side, uOkhet bamshaya inyama ngayidlanga, and he is not the one that poisoned the meat. The person that poisoned the meat ulo omenza umhlabelo. Uyenza umhlatshelo, and then he knows what he did. Then he says, no, okay, it is the problem. Speaking of umhlatshelo, there's somebody else, naye, he was offered as a lamb, who happens to be Usindani. Sindani is going to clean all his... Now, I'm not too sure if Usindani now he's leaving the story, because now, ye lawyer, do you still remember that woman? She used to be called who? Anne de Villiers on Generations back in the days before you guys were born. Yes. So that does not look like someone who's coming to play. She knows her stuff, and she's going to make sure that Sindani actually goes down. He's either going to go down for the sins that he did not commit, or go down for the sins that he committed and paid for a long time ago. And that is not going to be fair, because now it puts a strain on the relationship between him and his friend. Now he has to choose, is it family first or is it friendship first? And obviously you cannot let family go down. You will obviously have to preserve family and then compromise on the friendship. Kusazoba nzima, kusazoba lithi, kuhlanga hlangana. Yo.